There's a Hisense Google Smart TV and you have issues with the sound. Maybe you have no sound, or maybe the audio is going in and out, or maybe it's like out of sync when you're watching a movie where their lips are talking. It's just like out of sync or delayed, or maybe the audio sounds kind of like funny or muffled or like echoing. I'm gonna give you two possible fixes, okay? So the first way is this, okay? So just make sure your TV is on, and I want you to go ahead and pull the power plug from the wall socket. So TV is on. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this right there. It's off. I'm gonna count to 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, I'm gonna plug it back in, turn the TV on, and then see if my audio or sound is working correctly, okay? If it's still not working, then we're gonna go ahead and proceed to factory reset the sound. Okay, so when the TV boots up and you still have audio issues, so the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and factory reset the sound. So just go to the settings on your TV. You can tap on the settings button on your remote, that little gear icon. If not, we can just go to the home page here and go to the settings on the top right hand corner, that little gear icon. So let me move all the way over to the right there. And then from here, we're going to go and make sure that the gear icon's highlighted up there. Let me just highlight it. Click on OK. And then from here, we're going to go down one to display and sound right there. Click on OK. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and go down to sound right there. Click on OK on the remote. And then we're going to go all the way down to reset at the very bottom there. Click on OK. And then this will reset current audio settings to factory default. Do you want to continue? If you want to continue, we're going to make sure that the yes is highlighted right there. Click on OK, and there we go. Hopefully that helped you guys out.